On behalf of Symbiosis International University, India, I welcome all the alumni of Symbiosis. Symbiosis has now formed the Symbiosis Center for Alumni Engagement, which is the central department to engage with alumni. We have over 3 lakh alumni now because Dr. Muzumdar, my father, established Symbiosis in 1971. So, students who have passed out from the 70s till date are almost more than 3 lakh students all across the globe. We really want to engage with our alumni because we know that alumni are doing extremely well. In fact, I always believe that the success of Symbiosis is because of the success of the alumni. We want to engage the alumni in different ways. One, of course, that we want them to come and stay at our beautiful campus here in Pune, which is spread over 300 acres in a very, very picturesque location. We welcome you and your families. The second, of course, we would like to engage you all by you all coming as visiting professors and coming and teaching our students, mentoring our students. We also have an entrepreneurship and innovation center now, so that some of you can actually mentor our startups, which are mainly established by our students. Apart from that, of course, if some of you want to establish chairs, some of you want to fund for scholarships, we have adopted about 23 villages around this university campus, and we educate these poor girls from very, very poor families. Today, of course, the funding is internal from the Symbiosis Foundation, but I am sure some of you would want to extend your hand to educating these young girls from these neighboring villages. And there are several such host of activities and ideas at Symbiosis that we can actually engage you with. However, I really feel that there should be some day when our international alumni who are spread across the globe find an occasion to visit our campus with their families, and it will be a wonderful occasion. My father, Dr. S.B. Muzumdar, the founder of Symbiosis and the president and chancellor of the Symbiosis International University, also extends his heartfelt love and of course gratitude to all of you, because you have actually carried the torch, or I can say the flag of Symbiosis, which is flying very high.